Vera Viper's Valentine. Vera Viper and Victor Viper, them was best friend. Every Sunday, Vera would have visit Victor. Vera and Victor would have play volleyball and watch video. Sometimes they would have go for a little drive out through the valley. Vera and Victor like to stop in at the village and have vanilla ice cream cone. One Sunday, Vera Viper knocked on Victor's door. Vera, I can't visit with you today, said Victor. I'm very busy. The next Sunday, Victor did still busy. And the Sunday after that too. Vera Viper was very sad. Me no think Victor want be my friend anymore, said Vera Viper. The next Sunday, Vera turned over her yard. She watched video, but it wasn't any fun because Victor no did it. Then there was a knock on her door. No Victor. Victor and Vera want big red Valentine. Miss sorry I haven't been able to visit, said Victor. I've been very busy making you this Valentine. Victor read Vera the verse on the Valentine. Thank you, Victor, said Vera. Me glad you're my best friend too. Then Vera and Victor then play volleyball, then watch video, then drive through the valley.